stop me from wanting you, even if it's a sin. I know that you don't love me, and I know that you don't care. But if you gave me one more chance to love one so fair, I'd sell all my land and gold entirely for your hand. If you'd be my girl, then I'd be your man. We could move to the countryside, we could live on a hill. We could grow together, we could do this if you will. So I ask you to reconsider.